So here I am with the Manscaped Razor 4.0 that I'm having issues with. You see, well, I'll just press this real quick. And you might be able to hear that it is speeding up a lot, and then it just dies. Well, it is dead. I cannot turn it back on again. So today I'm going to be taking this thing apart. Alright, so this is the razor again, and not turning on. The reason I wanted to make this video was because I cannot find any documentation on how to take this thing apart. There might be some out there, but the fact that I couldn't find it immediately, I didn't quite like that, so decided to just make my own video. So the first step here, the razor head part, you just want to push that outwards. Push that outwards. Okay, I pushed a little too hard, but it just comes out just like that. Now, you'll see where my camera is. Yeah, you see maybe that there are two screws on here. Now, for tools, you only need two of them. I have a Phillips head iFixit screwdriver and a pry tool. The pry tool is optional if you want to break your fingernails, but those are the only two things for this disassembly that I needed. Now, I'll go ahead and start by taking these screws out. Okay, now that those are out, those are the only things in there, and it is keeping these two pieces together. So the second part that we're going to be taking off is the plastic shell right here, and then the top part. But I'll get started with this bottom part. You just want to pull outwards. Again, if you're just using your fingernails, this might be a lot harder, and I would advise against it. Now, one thing, oh Lord, voice crack. One thing that I will mention, if you do this, it will significantly lower the IP rating. I'm sure it will still be somewhat waterproof, but it is not gonna be very waterproof as it used to be. Although it doesn't seem like that will be an issue, because as far as I'm aware, apparently these things aren't very great at waterproofness anyways. Alright, so I just got the last clip, I'm pretty sure. Now, thing you will want to know is there are two clips going upwards into this top shell with the logo right there. You kind of just want to pull up and outwards, and then I'll put that to the side, and then you will see, maybe, again, don't really know if the light shines well, there's one more screw right here at the bottom. I believe this was the only screws in the whole chassis, so I will take that out for you, for me really. Okay, and I'll put in my little handy metal dish, and I would I mean, again, these are only 3 screws total in this whole thing, but I would keep them separate. They are different lengths, so and then for the rest of this, it is just a pry tool. Now you will see there's little ridges right here, and that's where the shields go, the razor shields, whatever you call them. I feel that it was easy to literally just grab those and pull up. Again, you want to do this slowly, and when you do pull up, it makes it a lot easier to get in at the pieces below. So I will go ahead and just do that now for you. I keep saying for you, but yeah. Okay, just like that. Now, there is, this is where the power button is. Right here. I would keep track of those things because mine actually fell out and it took me a second to realize where it goes. So, I mean, I'll put that back, and then when you're putting that back in there, you might want to put this facing downwards and then putting it in like this, because if you don't, the power button is just gonna fall out. So, and I lost, oh, there it is. Whew. Okay. Anyways, onto the second part here. I'm just gonna be taking the I don't really know what you call it. Alright, and so the second part second. I don't know what part this is. Well, anyways, the next part you want to do is these clips right here. This is really hard to show on camera. Okay, well, anyways, this clip right here and the clip right there, really just want to pull that out, and I'll show that again for you. I had my finger in the way. If I can. I don't think I can. Just pull it out, just like that, and then on the other side, and again, it is right here. Okay. And now it is pretty bare. One thing I will want to mention, mine is still somewhat on, but I made a mistake thinking this was a screw. This is not a screw. I'm actually not sure really what it is, but the battery shows right behind this through a hole. So again, my unit is probably not waterproof at all anymore. So the next part we're going to be taking off is this motherboard housing. And again, this is the button and where the LEDs are. So, sorry, I just started to do that without telling you what I'm doing here. You have 4 clips total holding this in. There you go. And really you just want to push those outwards. Maybe I'll get it. There you go. And it comes off just like that. And again, this is the power button right here and the LED. Now you see my unit is not damaged at all. So I'm not really sure what's going on, hoping I can find out myself. Now this part, I will not lie, had me scared, and I was not sure what I was supposed to be doing here. But you just need to pull up. I think I might have to speed this part up because I'm still scared to do this. It might be easiest to pull from the back. There might be a tool that makes this easier, but I mean, I don't have it, so. And again, you just pull. It might be scary, but you just pull. Make sure you have a firm grip on it, unlike me, or it will go flying. So again, the battery is really good. Make sure you try and keep your hands off of this because it is the glue that keeps this thing in. So yeah, that's it. I do apologize if this was a bad tutorial. This is my first time doing one of these things. So there is that, and hope this finds a lot of people. Hope they can maybe find out something from this, whether it's the validity of waterproofness in their system, or just what might be wrong, you know? I just find it very weird. I could not find anything on this. And then one quick note before I end this video: when you are putting this back in, there is going to be rails right here, and then this is going to be a lot harder to show. Right there is where these rails are going to go. It's like right on the opposite side of where these are. So yeah, you just want to put the rails there. Make sure you don't put this in backwards, although I think that might be pretty hard to do. Well, anyways, hope this finds a lot of people, and you all have a great day.